You certainly ate sweet potatoes at some point in your life, haven't you? Do you know the benefits it offers to our health? Sweet potato is a tuber that offers energy to the body thanks to its high levels of carbs. It also is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which ensures many health benefits. If you want to learn more about it, click on the card to watch a video where we talk more about sweet potatoes. In today's video, you will learn about the benefits of the leaves of a sweet potato. According to a study developed at the University of Louisiana, sweet potatoes leaves are rich in vitamins, especially K and A, and minerals, besides helping keep the immune system working perfectly. Isn't it amazing? Also, these leaves have vitamin C, and the more ripe ones have more vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, than the potato itself. Can you believe that? See some of the benefits of sweet potato leaves. Improves immunity. Rich in vitamin C, a natural anti-inflammatory, the leaf of a sweet potato can improve your immunity. It also acts to fight free radicals, preventing premature aging. Controls glycemia. The low glycemic index of sweet potato leaves helps control blood sugar levels. Eating it can help prevent hyperglycemia, the excess of sugar in the blood, and a possible diagnosis of diabetes. Strengthens the bones. Because of its high amounts of calcium and vitamin K, some of the most important nutrients for bone health, sweet potato leaves fight bone issues like osteoporosis. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Protects the heart. Vitamin K, the same that works for bone health, is also important for cardiovascular health. It helps control blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and prevents the calcification of arteries, which can cause heart attacks. Boosts the metabolism. Because of its vitamin B2, riboflavin, this leaf can accelerate your metabolism, which is responsible for the biochemical changes that happen inside our bodies. But how do we eat sweet potato leaves to get all these benefits? They can be stir-fried, added to soups, omelets, juices, or even as a side dish for pasta. Next time you go to the market, ask around how you can get some sweet potato leaves. Oh, did you know that you can also make tea with these leaves? The tea of sweet potato leaves can be used as a mouth rinse to calm toothache. Isn't it interesting? Making this tea is easy. Just boil a cup of water and add some sweet potato leaves, finely chopped. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then stir. Strain, and it is ready to be used. Tell us, did you already know these benefits? If you have used sweet potato leaves before, share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.